Hello Fabian, there are two ways to open CSV file in Excel. Now I will show you the first one. Here is your CSV file. Right click on it and go to properties. Now simply change the open with and click Microsoft Excel and apply the changes. Okay. Now here is your CSV file that is open in Excel. You can check. Here is special characters like dots in U. All are shown in Excel file. Okay. Now the other method to open CSV file in Excel is that open your Excel file, go to go to data tab and import from text. Now the file is in, here is the CSV file and simply import it. Click next and then check the comma delimiters and uncheck the tab. Click next and finish. Press OK. Now here is your CSV file that is converted into Excel. Now you simply have to save it